Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to download or install apps which is currently not available in your country or region on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. Here you can see YouTube Music is not available in App Store, and here in Safari you can see I'm trying to install from here Safari YouTube Music app. Here it is. So here you can see it's saying app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, go back to your home screen, and then what you need to do is just launch settings, and then from here tap on your Apple ID profile, and now tap on media and purchases, and now tap on view account, and from here country or region, so tap on this, and now tap on change country or region. And from here what you need to do is just you have to select the country in which your app you want to install is supported. Like I want to install music app and it's supported in US, so I want to here change my country region to US. So I'm selecting here US, United States, and then from here are some terms and conditions, so agree to them, and again tap on agree to confirm the process. And here you have to select your payment method, credit, debit card, PayPal or none. I'm selecting here at none, and here you have to give your billing address. You can put fake information as well, and here you have to give the city. So here you have to select the carefully your state. I'm selecting California, and here you have to give the zip code for your city or state. If you don't know about the zip code, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app, but in my case the zip code for California is 90210. And then here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then after that tap your on next and tap on done. So that's it. Just go back and again try to install the app. Here like I'm here trying to install my app music app, YouTube Music, and here you can see here is app right now available here. I can download and install from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.